Definitely, we don't want to be staying in the service longer. No? The fastest way that we can, of course, observing the due process, dapat matanggalan sila kagad sa serbisyo para hindi na sila maka-cause ng further damage.
6 na pulis na nakatalaga sa National Capital Region Police Office at sa Police Regional Office 8 ang nagpositibo sa isinagawang surprise drug test sa hanay ng pambansang pulisya sa kabila ng seryosong internal cleansing na ipinatutupad ng Philippine National Police.
To the commanders on the ground, especially sa ating mga regional directors, let us continue our drug testing. Ipursige natin yan. I commend especially yung Region 10, yung efforts in arresting yung bypass na police. Also for NCRPO and Region 8 for the drug testing. Ituloy-tuloy natin yung internal cleansing. That is the only way para maniwala ang at kababayan, mga Pilipino, or of course mga dayuhan, that the police force is really doing its best to weed out of its organization mga misfits and escalawas.